So how to airdrop a file to MacBook to iPhone. Suppose I want to transfer this image to my iPhone. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Turn on your Bluetooth first, and then you need to go your mobile. Go to your airdrop setting. I need to turn on my mobile airdrop. And everyone for 10 minutes. I am turning my on. Then you need to select your file that you want to transfer to your iPhone. Press right button to your mouse and press on share. And then you see airdrop option. My iPhone airdrop already on. So you see this kind of my Ekramul Hassan, my iPhone. You need to select, press on it, and waiting, and at the same time you got a notification on your iPhone and my file is transferred successfully. This is my file. This is video and this is my file. Within couple of seconds, within 1 second, it's transferred. This is how you can easily transfer file to MacBook to iPhone. Hope you enjoy. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.